Today's video is just going to be a quick one. We're going to go through a couple of shortcuts and see how it can increase your workflow or speed up your workflow. So we'll get into it on the sketch side. So I'm going to create a sketch over here. You can pick any plane. The first one we're going to look at is the line tool. So you can select it over there, or you can just push L. And there we've got the line tool. Now I can go ahead and create my shape. So there we've got our little shape. Next one is R. So the R key lets us select the rectangle. So that's a 2-point rectangle. Select the starting point over there. And there we've got the rectangle. Next one we're going to look at is C. C is for center diameter circle. So you just push C and you can draw out your circle like that. Another handy one is S. S will bring up a shortcuts key. So if you're wanting to find something that's maybe in one of these menus and you don't feel like going into the menu, you can just press S and type in the thing you're looking for. So S, and I'm looking for a center rectangle. You can get all of those other ones. So now with the center rectangle, we've got that shape there. So if you don't feel like scrolling through all of these, you can use the S. But remember, we've got L for line tool, R for rectangle, 2-point rectangle, C for center diameter circle. Now stepping out of this menu, let's finish our sketch. We've got a few more shortcuts we can look at. Normally you'd select up there for extrude. If you don't want to go there, you can just push the E key. It'll bring up the extrude menu. We can select what we want to extrude, and you can drag it up there. Now we've got our extruded body. Next shortcut is F. F is for fillet. So we can select a line or a face and add in our fillet. Okay. Now I've got that fillet on that side. Last one we're going to look at is move. Normally we'd right click and we'd select move, and then we'd have the move menu. If you don't want to do that, you can simply push M, and there we can select the body we want to move, and we can move it around. So that was just a quick video on some of the shortcuts we have available in Fusion 360. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you want some more content that's not on my YouTube channel, check out my course on Udemy. The link is in the description below. Till next time, bye.